In this video, I will show you how to remove green screen background in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a mask. Right click and choose Select and Mask. Choose Refine Brush tool. View Overlay. Opacity 100%. Refine mode Object Aware. Radius 0%. Smooth 0%. Feathers 0%. Contrast 0%. Shift edge 0%. Now we will turn the brush to the hair side. Click on Decontaminate Color. Output Layer and Layer Mask. Press OK. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this image and click on Place. Adjust the image. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.